And I really think that KiwiTech is exactly what the emerging Qatari entrepreneurship industry really wants, because we have a lot of ideas, and the country lacks a little bit from the development side, the technology side, the software development side. So I think bringing in KiwiTech to this industry will really help the entrepreneurs to move them from just an idea stage all the way to a minimum viable product, to a business model and business canvas, all the way up to securing a seed fund and having a successful startup company. I really look forward for the next 3 years or 4 years or 10 years to see what they can do over here. I'm really excited what they do, and I really want to thank the team for all the effort that they are bringing here. As a side note, I would suggest that the workshops would be split up into 2 different cohorts based on the how advanced the entrepreneurs are. So based on this experience, which was amazing, we found that there are two levels of entrepreneurs: just people that are starting up and people that already closed 1 million riyals worth of deals. So I think it would be interesting and very effective for them to split up the 2 workshops. They will probably get